Changing your username on Apple Pay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Open the Wallet app. Launch the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where you manage your Apple Pay settings and payment methods. Step 2. Access the Apple Pay settings. Tap on the three dots with the settings icon in the Wallet app to access the Apple Pay settings. Look for the option that allows you to manage your account details. Step 3. Select your account. In the settings menu, find and select your Apple ID or the account associated with your Apple Pay. This will take you to your account information. Step 4. Edit username. Look for the option to edit your username. Tap on it and enter your desired new username. Make sure it complies with any guidelines provided. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, be sure to save your changes. You may need to confirm your identity with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password. Once you have completed these steps, your username on Apple Pay will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider checking Apple support page for further assistance.